Okay, so what I did find was some packaging which was sort of foam plastic. I think it was from the CPU, I'm not sure. Actually, it may have been from the Coolmaster. So that's keeping that up so that I can put the Master Gel on thermal compound. I don't know how much of this we need. I think we just need a splodge. That'll do. And then take this. Yep. So this splodge there. I suppose when it sits, once it's right, it's yeah. So I think the right screw is the middle one. So can you move that? Slide in the top there. So I put one in. It's stuck. Oh, there's a sequence to this. Let me see. What is the sequence? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, okay, diagonals basically. Right. Okay, got a picture on the hand. And can we get that? Oh yeah, it's better. Yeah, still not a great shot, sorry about that. Does that go in there? So I'll put this over. Oh, it's right in there. Too far in. Okay. Don't know how tight these are meant to go in. It's pretty tight. Okay, stiff. Stiff. I suppose the one of the most clearance is where the fan goes. Guessing. Okay. Okay, seems to be it. So, I think I'm going to cut it there and put everything ready for the boot for on the thing. The monitor. The monitor. We'll get ready for the monitor. Where is it? So I guess that just goes on. Just that way. Sure, I'll figure it out. Oh, I see, you just slide it. Put the hooks in that one. Warranty void if removed. I think we have to hook it. Oh, I just hook them both in. Yeah. That looks to be on. Right, the wire though. Okay. Push too hard on. Right, okay, so I'm going to cut that there now.